Hey guys, Tina back with you, and this is my Pinnacle review. Guys, I decided to create this review because if you are like me, you love passive income, and Pinnacle is a software that will actually allow you to create a constant stream of passive income for you and your family. And this is very important because it's not that easy to make money with affiliate marketing, as you already probably know. But if you will be building your passive income, okay, sooner or later, you will have enough money to live your freedom lifestyle. We will start probably as usually from my bonuses, okay? Now, so this is my bonus page, and as you can see, you can have access to 4,300 value of bonuses. Okay, it's 4,359. This is the value of bonuses, and there are actually exclusive bonuses which you will not find anywhere else, which were created by me personally, and there are non-exclusive bonuses. So just go through this bonus page. Again, the idea was to create not just the bonuses, but the bonuses for people in any affiliate marketing like interest. Okay, like you see case studies, you see bonus bundle for launch checking, you see bonus bundles for of products for list building, for traffic, and these products are created by really cool top online marketers. Okay, and again, you will have access to my exclusive bonuses and even to a software. Okay, so let's actually see what's inside Pinnacle. Okay, so let's just actually watch this video.
Let me show you. Step 1. Find. Pinnacle lets you find out what people around the world are searching, so you can identify if the services you plan to offer over the web it's a profitable.
Okay guys, so you will be actually a middleman, okay, between the guy who is searching for a certain service, okay, and the freelancer who will be doing this service, okay. So you're not going to do any work.
Drop servicing opportunity. You simply need to type the service of your choice. Select the country, time length, category, and search engine, and hit on the search button, and be able to see rising related topics, which are related topics with the biggest increase in search frequency since the last time period. Results marked breakout had a tremendous increase, probably because these topics are new and had few, if any, prior searches.
Okay guys, this is very important scene. As you can see, Pinnacle allows you not only to, it allows you to automate even the process of searching for the clients. It's amazing.
Top related topics, which are the most popular topics. Scoring is on a relative scale, where a value of 100 is the most commonly searched topic, and a value of 50 is a topic searched half as often as the most popular term, and so on. And interest by region, where you will be able to see in which location your term was most popular during the specified time frame. Values are calculated on a scale from 0 to 100, where 100 is the location with the most popularity as a fraction of total searches in that location. A value of 50 indicates a location which is half as popular. A value of 0 indicates a location where there was not enough data for this term. With this quick and easy to find valuable information, you will be able to identify highly profitable drop servicing opportunities. Step 2. Build. Pinnacle lets you build your own drop servicing website, starting with finding the proper business name. Do you realize how hard it is to come up with business name ideas? With Pinnacle's Name Finder, you will be able to find the perfect business name in just seconds. You just need to type a few seed keywords to use as reference and click on the Generate button, and you will get.
Okay guys, this is actually priceless scene, okay? This is priceless scene because they even allow you to create your own website and as you can see, they show you how to do the search to create actually your website name. So for example, if you, let's say if you will specify in website marketing services, see, this is website marketing services website. This is amazing, again, because people will, you'll start actually generating sales because people will be finding your website because, for example, they're looking to create, they need a new website, okay? or SEO or anything else, okay, or creating videos. It's up to you. You can really seriously, you can really fast create your own passive income machine.
Some awesome business name ideas in just seconds. But not only you will get to find the perfect business name idea, but also you will be able to find an available domain name for it, so you can buy it right away. And besides finding the perfect business name, we have provided you with an awesome and easy to use website builder. You simply need to click on the new website button. Be able to preview our beautiful, professional, and easy to customize templates targeting all kind of profitable online angles.
Guys, I don't even know how much they, can you predict even, can you imagine how much money they invested to create this? Just for this, they could charge already like, I don't know, $100 per month recurring.
Give it a name. And create it. And there you see it. A beautiful, professional, easy to customize website created in just a click. Look at all these eye-catching elements. Do you realize how expensive and time-consuming it is to create a page like this from scratch?
Yeah, just believe me, this is really expensive and time-consumable.
And customizing it is as easy as clicking on an element and editing it without touching a single line of code.
Oh my God.
You can save your changes and view it clicking here. How cool is that? And you can do exactly same with all of the rest of the templates. Step 3. Advertise. For advertising your drop servicing website, we have you covered as well. In the Advertise tab you will be able to access 2 of our best traffic generation solutions. Miracle, a YouTube marketing app which will let you get the most of YouTube on behalf of your drop servicing business. And Sparks, a Pinterest marketing app which will let you get the most of Pinterest on behalf of your drop servicing business.
Okay, this is also very important thing, and this is where the business starts, okay? So, in the majority of cases, people start from, okay, you can make money with free traffic, but if you are serious about building your business, okay, free traffic is for people who let's say use it like a hobby. But if this guy is give you opportunity to start promoting your thing, okay, using paid traffic, then you have business. Because, for example, you created a website, you added a couple of let's say you want to create a website for people who want to build who need websites, okay, and websites building services, and then you simply start promoting it, and you see the replies, okay, people start coming in and they start seeing actually your offers, and if you see the how much they buy, what offer from your offers is converting best, you can start promoting this offer, and this is how you build your business. Amazing.
You will be shocked on what these apps are capable of doing, guys. And this is just the tip of the iceberg, guys. There is lots more awesome stuff inside Pinnacle, but I can't show them all in just this short demo video. That's why we decided to create a VIP training, which consists of an over-the-shoulder premium training which will show you how to make money with Pinnacle the quick and easy way, step by step. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money.
Okay guys, this is amazing thing. Again, I just hardly can believe that they invested this kind of money, and they are selling this for one-time price. I mean, so low price. It's amazing. It's amazing. So again, if you're looking for a real passive income stream, you can just give it a try. Okay, just give it a try, because okay, let's say you invest some money to join. Okay, it's really simple. I mean, then you really fast you will be able to build your first website for services. Okay, then you'll be able to promote it using both free and paid traffic. Again, I would use paid traffic, and as soon as you start getting your first sales, then you are in business, because you will know your numbers. Okay, how much you invest in traffic and how much you invest in actually how much you're making back. And since the work will be done by freelancers, which actually Pinnacle will find for you, okay, then you simply have your business, okay, working for you 24/7. This is amazing. Okay, this is why highly recommend you to at least buy the front end and see what's inside and see the VIP training, okay, and start actually using it. Talk to you soon.